So today what we're going to do is we're going to make a coffee daiquiri cocktail for you.
It's awesome.
We got some blackstrap rum here.
Really good.
We're gonna break it down and examine the flavor profile and let you know if this is something you want to take the time to invest in.
You should.
Why not? It's always good to experiment. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Derek and Dan are making you a drink. It is called... The fuck is this?
This is the Midnight Daiquiri.
The Midnight Daiquiri. So it's here at Combat Cocktails, where everybody comes for their Midnight Daiquiris. This is submitted by John Spikes from putneyfarm.com or something like that. I don't know. Here's the thing. This recipe scares me, and I'm going to give you the breakdown. I'm going to give you the commentary. 2 ounces of blackstrap rum, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of falernum syrup, a quarter ounce of coffee liqueur, 3 dashes of Ongo, 2 dashes of bitter Min's Tiki Bitters, and a lime wheel if you're not lazy like me. Combat Cocktail style, bitches. Fuck you. We're not using a lime wheel. Here's the deal. This drink...
We decorate for no one.
That's right. It's the man. This drink, shake and strain. And this is not the first time you've done that, and this is going to be stickier than that mezcal you poured on your face. 2 ounces of, we're using Crucian Blackstrap. You can probably get away with Black Seal from Gosling's. I wouldn't go with the 151 unless you were looking to die or die.
It wouldn't be as sweet.
It will not be as sweet. Coffee liqueur, the sweetest fucking rum you can make. Like Blackstrap rum is sweet. It's molasses, charred oak, everything you can do to a rum to make it taste as much like you never distilled it. Like it's fucking right out of the, it's like the fermented stuff. It's not really, but that's what it's like.
Is that what it's like?
Yeah. If you, I've never distilled rum, but if I did, it would look like this before you start. This is sugar, right? Falernum syrup, lots of sugar.
It's gonna be
coffee liqueur, lots of sugar. And to go the other direction, you're gonna add a couple bitters to it, so everything's fine.
Yeah, we're gonna balance it off.
And it's a drink. A daiquiri is typically sour. Now you've got a little bit. You got an ounce of lime juice against 2 ounces of blackstrap rum. That right there should be a balance. And then everything goes dark and crazy.
It's going to be...
But I like coffee.
Interesting.
Coffee drinks typically have a little bit more of a sweetness to them. I don't know. But you should subscribe to the show and click the little bell icon to get emails every whatever day, Thursday, when I put out a new video at about 7 o'clock Eastern Time. GMT -4 or -5, depending on the time of year. Sorry. That's how the sun works for some reason in the United States. Also, you should like the video. Because, I mean, this could be the worst drink ever. I don't know if this is going to go on recipe.awesomedrinks.com. You have to squeeze down. Is it clogged?
It's clogged.
Yeah, just...
Clogged, we're having technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties. Some of the bitter agents can get jammed inside the little hole. It's like a clogged pour. Just pour a little bit in here. How many dashes you need? That's 3 dashes. That's 3 ml.
No, I only need 2 dashes.
2 dashes is 2 ml. I mean, whatever. You can control pour. Oh, you're gonna go right for the.
That's what I do. 1, 2. Oh.
2 big. Actually, probably about.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then 3 dashes of Ongo, which you probably already did. And then that's it. Shake a strain, or you're not done.
I am done.
Okay. Our executive producer is Eric Scott. He's been a producer for the he's been around for about 3 years. If you want to become one of those type of people that get your name on the bottom of the screen, you can go to patreon.com/CMC. Help fund the show, because why wouldn't you? If you like the show and you're like, you guys give us so much value for free. Well, wow, that's really jammed. I can see it in there. I'm going to need to clean that somehow. You should pay us back a little bit.
Exactly.
I'm not asking for all your money. I don't think. Unless you want to give it all to me, I'm fine. I'm not going to complain. But
who would complain?
No. I'm kind of pissed off. I had to clean that out now. Oh, it's frozen. Chill your glass.
Chill it.
I'll dump it.
You're going to dump it?
You want it.
Okay.
You can entertain them with your sexiness and your nipples. All right.
That's what I do.
There you go. Chill your glass, especially if it doesn't have ice in the drink. This drink we're going to build in a coupe glass. Calls for a build in a coupe or martini or something like that. Basically, no ice. It's just, boom, that's it.
Boom.
It looks really good. I like the drinks
that
look like this.
It looks like a midnight.
Kind of looks like it might have some chocolate notes. I don't know. So you ready for this? You're recording in my camera, right, Jennifer?
Where's the cowboy on
The cowboy hat man is at his parents' house today.
Yes.
Huh. Try that.
That was interesting.
Yeah, just I was waiting for like a sweet candy bomb. Although we'll have to wait till see what Jalitha does with her face. She might throw it right back at us.
Oh, that's interesting.
Oh, that's interesting.
I tell you, that's not good.
You know.
Yeah, you don't look like you like that, Dan.
It's not like bad.
I didn't think it was bad. I'm surprised it wasn't sweeter. So it has coffee, it has clove, spice, molasses, and some sweetness. I mean, this is like an after dinner drink to me. This is like an alternative to a cup of coffee. Not that it has that much coffee to it.
It's like coffee,
but it's concentrated
with lime in it.
Yeah.
Ew.
It's wow. You're not a fan of the combo? Coffee and lime doesn't bother me. Like, we've done that in the past.
It does. It's not
Usually
bad.
It's vodka, but
yeah.
the blackstrap is
We already
definitely.
talked about that.
Yeah. The blackstrap, you should watch the last video. The blackstrap, unless it was the video after, then you should watch that one too. The blackstrap is very prominent, and it is exactly what you expect out of a blackstrap rum. It is not like a regular rum. It's not like an aged rum, like just old and dark. It is like if you took an aged rum and then charred some oak, put it in there, added some sweet blackstrap from your distillate back into it, you would call it dunder, and sweeten it up a little bit. Maybe even add a little sugar. I don't know if Crucian adds sugar.
It is sweet.
Blackstrap is by itself
like,
kind of sugar.
You're still trying to figure it out.
I am.
It's hard
really
to describe the
confusing.
flavor profile.
It's like orange. Like you can taste orange in it. You can taste the rum, like the
clove.
caramel, the clove.
You get all that like trace spicy flavor. I'm fine
you
with
got
it.
the tiki bitters and you got the Angostura that are really like.
If you like that, you know, the problem is I would rather have a Trinidad sour because I can have a couple of those. Where here, Trinidad sour.
That you're not gonna have a couple of.
No, this is like one and done because it's just such concentrated flavor. But I don't have a problem with the flavors. I'm just surprised that it wasn't sweeter.
It's got to be the. It's.
Well, you have two sets of
It's
bitters.
sweet. Yeah.
Yeah.
The bitters definitely take it down. The lime is still prominent.
Yeah, you got the lime and coffee.
The coffee obviously comes. It's like orange coffee.
He doesn't like it.
That's.
He's
bitter.
justifying it, but he doesn't like it. I think it's fine.
No. Not a big fan.
But
you know that drink when you take it, you're just like, oh, it makes you like it's like biting into a lemon that has coffee and orange and bitters on it.
Just like that.
Just like that. It's you know what I'm talking about.
But when you say biting into a lemon, that makes it sound like it's actually sour.
I think it's kind of sour.
Right? Why? Because it
The
shouldn't
lime.
be. Yeah, but dude, all this other shit.
It still comes through.
It's
The
weird.
lime.
No, I agree with
Yeah.
you. I'm trying to explain out loud why that would be
You
considering
said,
all
Dan,
the
would you
sugars.
rather have beer over this cocktail?
Yes.
Oh, that was quick.
Well, I mean,
It's interesting
Beer's
though.
pretty
It's not
good.
like
oh, you got enough for more.
I know.
It's coming back.
It's not like bad. It's definitely interesting.
It's just not.
There's
like
definitely a
lemon.
lot of flavors going on. So,
But if you order this at a bar, you would finish it.
but it's like people like Negronis and some people don't.
Right.
You know what I mean? That's kind of like what this drink is. It's,
Yeah.
but it's definitely full of flavor. It's different.
It's this. You have to appreciate.
If you
this.
have all this shit and you kind of
This is complicated.
like it, try it.
Do it.
You should do
He's
it
selling it.
because it is different.
It is. Also, if you go use coupon code June18 at awesomedrinks.com, save 18%, you can get yourself some tiki bitters, some Angostura bitters, some falernum, some glassware, some shakers, all that good stuff.
So you can have everything.
You can
And
pretty
all
much
you got to do is get the
Would you
blackstrap rum.
finish
and coffee liqueur.
Because you liked it or because you paid for it?
He would finish it because he paid for it.
Yes,
Because
definitely.
he'll finish anything he pays for.
Yeah.
But I would finish it. Like I wouldn't order it again because it's just super potent. It's like fudge. Like you can enjoy something and not want.
It's definitely something you wouldn't drink
all the time.
multiple of in the same night. It's more of a
Unless you're a college kid, and it was free.
Yeah, but they drink anything. But if you're at a bar and you ordered that, I would drink it. It's like I said, it's interesting. There's a lot of
flavor.
It's
like a grandma candy.
There's a lot of interesting flavors going on in it.
It's like a grandma candy that kicks you in the nuts and then punches you in the face.
I can definitely say, I mean, maybe like drinking this with like dessert could kind of change its profile.
Maybe if you get a little fat.
Yeah.
Like on your...
Well, if you're like, you know, if you have like a piece of cake or something that you're eating with that.
Yeah, that would be interesting.
Yeah.
Put it inside of a piece of cake.
Yeah.
Cut the cake, pours out everywhere. Fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Great idea.
Great idea.
Put it in your watermelon.
If you have all the shit, you should try it.
Put it in your watermelon.
I don't know if I'd buy all the shit to try it.
That's your question today.
They said, how would you improve the cocktail, Dan?
That's what I was going to ask. What would you do to improve your cocktail?
To improve this cocktail?
I would say
coffee, lime,
you're going to have a hard time.
You know what it is? I think I might remove the flarum.
Too much clove? Too much craziness? Too much spice? I would remove the black.
You guys make me keep drinking more of it so I can remember the horror.
I would replace the blackstrap and I would use an aged Jamaican rum with a little bit of a funk. Because now you basically got a daiquiri with falernum, which is going to work. Daiquiri with Angostura is going to work. Daiquiri with tiki bitters is going to work. Everything here is daiquiri with coffee. It's going to work. The blackstrap is like medicine. It's so fucking in your face. Like it's like saying, what if I use 2 ounces of chartreuse?
Maybe it's this.
I'm thinking that's what I'm saying.
It's overpowering.
It's a potent, overpowering beast that brought in 2 ounces is an intensity.
No, not bad.
For a drink you didn't like. See, this is what you get on Common Man Cocktails. You get a full examination. It's just like a rectal exam. You get the full thing.
I'm telling you, I think it's like the flarum I don't like in it.
It's just too much. Well, no. This is it's a bouquet, another big bouquet.
Yeah.
And then these guys themselves.
These two together.
Yeah.
So I think you're right. Maybe you replace one or the other.
Yeah.
And
I say replace this because that's just tough.
But I definitely think if you have all this stuff, you should try it.
Yeah, well, you should try everything.
Because
you never know.
You could like it.
Yeah, it's definitely a different drink. It definitely punches you in the face.
Yeah, it's
a sweet. It's a end of the night drink. Obviously,
it's like, here's a midnight
daiquiri. Yeah, like you're all hanging out on the porch,
kicking nuts.
It's late at night. You're all done. You've had dinner. You bring this out.
You're fucking blasted. You don't care what you're drinking.
No, then you don't want to waste shit on people.
Sure. All right, so there's your examination. In the sidebar, you'll find more videos that examine other cocktails that you might enjoy. Down below, you will probably enjoy, if you need a cocktail starter kit, the home bartender starter kit.
You should get one.
You're a home bartender now. You watch the show. You're in the club. That's it. We teach you how to drink.